Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a Valentine's Day special DIY. For those who don't know what a DIY is, it is a short for do it yourself. Instead of buying stuff online, it is always fun to make things and gift your loved ones. It shows how much special they are to you. Today, I am sharing a thread art DIY which can be used as a wall hanging in your room. Let's get started. Firstly, we need a square piece of wooden board. If it looks good, you can use it as it is. My board looked a bit dull, so I decided to paint it. Once you have painted your wooden board, let it dry completely. Meanwhile, take a paper and draw a heart shape on it. Else, print it out. Cut this and keep it ready. Once the paint has dried completely, stick this heart-shaped cutout on the board using sellotape. Don't use glue because we will be removing the paper very soon. Hammer 1-inch nails into this board around the heart-shaped outline. Make sure there is sufficient gap between the nails. Do not hammer them close to each other. Once the outline is done using the nails, carefully remove the paper outline along with the sellotape. The wooden base is now ready. Let's start with the thread art. Today I have used woolen yarn since it is a bit thick. All you need to do is randomly connect the nails. Make sure it is tight. Keep on connecting the nails till you feel the design has come out well. There is no specific order for connecting the thread. You can do it randomly. Once you're done with it, make a double knot at the last nail and add a drop of Fevicol on top of it so that it doesn't come off. Your thread art DIY is now ready. Make a hole behind this bow so that you can hang it on a wall. Our thread art DIY is now ready. This is very simple and can be done with things available at your home. Instead of using heart shape, you can use different shapes as well. You can print out your own design and use that cutout instead. Instead of using a single color thread, you can use multicolored thread as well. It'll look even prettier. Do give it a try and let me know if you liked this video. Subscribe our channel and thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.